welcome back to another video. Another Ocean City video, I should say. The truck ran perfect while we were down there, and yeah, it was just a blast. So anyway, in this video, it's more Ocean City videos. So it starts out at Seacrets up on Coastal Highway, and the host of the car show was R&M Performance. I'm going to put a link below. You need to go check out their Facebook. They're doing a lot of good stuff, and they put out a nice show. I mean, it was a good time. And then we go over to the Gran Prix on the west side of Ocean City, up off of 50, and that was another nice show. A little smaller, but it was hosted by just a car club, and it was a great show. So stick around. Hope you see your car in this video. If not, other videos are coming. Look for your car. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Let me get back to cleaning this up and enjoy the video. Oh yeah, look at that. All my Dodge boys. Check some meat. Pretty smooth C10. Hot tub. The dude is sporting a hot tub. Look at that, my 55 fans.
This car has no body. This was in the magazine back then.
Alright, so let's have a look at this. Yep. So we got a 66 Ford from street. Now watch as I back up. Keep looking. Keep looking. Keep looking. Would you look at that damn thing? What the hell? We're just talking about how many cars we think it took to make this bitch. I think that's pretty cool. Alright, so keeping the theme of keeping things completely bizarre at this show. Ready? Check that out. We got a Toyota motor in this bad boy. That ain't completely different, huh? Gasser. Pretty cool though. Alright guys, if you noticed in this video, I've been trying to show you a little more things that you don't get to see every day. I mean, there's a lot of common stuff we all love, but how about that? We got a wing, well, 2 winged cars right here. It's pretty awesome, right? Sweet. Over there, Willie's gasser on the other side. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. The only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button, come down here, hit that sub button, click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video. All right, where are we at? What's this car show?
Gran Prix.
Gran Prix. Gran Prix, West Ocean City. Hell of a nice turnout. Look at this. Would you look at this one here, boys? Nice. Awesome too. Sweet. A lot of nice shit here. Pretty cool. SS 396 Chevelle. Nice small block. Double headlights at 70.
Nice.
Yes, very nice.